Hey guys, it's Oberstadt. In today's video, I'm actually finally doing my Ipsy Glambag unbagging. I've had this for several days and I do have dedicated videos of me using a few of these products in here, and I will be putting them like on the screen as I like talk about the product so that you guys can see me applying them. I got one add-on for this month and that's all I could afford. And I'm wearing one of the products right now. Actually, two of them I'm wearing right now. So this is the February 2020 Ipsy Glambag, and it came in this like velour bag that's mauve, and it's got like a deeper like berry mauve kind of shade on the inside, and it says feel the love, the warm fuzzy feeling you get from being in love. Feel it every day in the littlest of things, from pampering your skin with the multi-step routine to savoring your morning coffee. Every morning is an opportunity to show yourself how much you love you. Now, I wish I could have gotten at least one more add-on from this, but I'm okay with the one that I got. It says save the date, first, love at first click. It says keep those lovey-dovey vibes going by choosing your favorite product and choice by, it says on 2/24, so I'm gonna have to get on that. I don't even know what date it is right now. It's the 18th, February 18th at 10 o'clock in the morning. This is the second video I filmed today, so I did film this makeup. I'm doing a series where I do 2 looks, same shades kind of thing. And there's squirrels in the attic. And then it says, win a V-Day gift this month just got sweeter. Enter the chance to win a major Glambag haul and $1,000. Share a selfie and tag 3 people you love. And Ipsy using Ipsy Feel the Love and giveaway. So I guess I'll have to take some pictures of the products. I usually forget to take pictures of the products. I'm a bad YouTuber. So it says, treat yourself. Your 5 picks for your Glambag products valued at $50+ are here to make you swoon. Prepare to crash hard. Now, the bag costs $12 a month. I got one add-on for $3, and we'll go over the worth and the add-on cost. I can tell you right now that this bag was not over $50 worth of product. So I guess we'll go in order. I have used a few of these. This one here I actually haven't used. I did a patch test on it. And I do have a couple of other items from this brand, and I do enjoy them, and I'm glad I'm not allergic to any of them. This is the Feel Harmony Rose Petal Face Mask. If I do use this product within the next day or two before I get this video edited, I'll stick this on the screen. It says, roses are more than just Valentine's Day gifts. Proof, this gel mask is packed with a concentrated trio of rose petals, rose essential oils, and rose flower extract. Together, they deeply hydrate, help encourage skin cell turnover, and calm redness and sensitivity to give you the glowiest skin ever. It says tip, want more calming effects from this gel mask? Store in the fridge for a little extra chill. That might be nice because it's supposed to be 86 degrees today. This is a deluxe sample, and it says the value of the full size of this product is 3.4 ounces for $55. This is 22 milliliters or 0.75 ounces. This is worth $12.13. Now, I did just get in, I got approved for kind of Octoly, but not like the influencer version of Octoly, because I don't have like, one thing says 1,000 followers on Instagram, one thing says like 5,000 followers on Instagram. I don't have either. I like purged my Instagram, both of them, like 2 years ago or a year and a half ago now. And so I'm down under like 1,000 followers on both. And I don't have 5,000 YouTube subscribers, but I did get this like Goop glycolic it's from Goop Beauty. It's a glycolic acid peel type thing, which is why I haven't used that yet, because I was expecting to get this in the mail, and it just arrived today. So I will be testing that out, and I got that for free to review through Octoly. So I will be doing a video on that. The next item in here is the Merci hand cream, Merci Handy Hand Cream Hello Sunshine. This reminds me of the fragrance of that Sunflowers perfume from like the 90s that I was highly allergic to. Thankfully, this does not make me sneeze and break out in hives and have my eyes water and cough and gag and all kinds of lovely things like the Sunflowers perfume did. I loved the smell of it, but it gave me like all of these awful reactions anytime I was near anybody that had it on. Even though I liked it, I couldn't wear it. And somebody did buy me one, and I couldn't wear it. Like I'd spray it on things so that like I could smell them like hours after. Like I'd spray my room before I'd leave for school, and then the smell would still be there when I got home, but it wasn't as pungent, so I still got headaches. I liked it, but I was like a glutton for punishment. So anyways, that's what this smells like. It says, winter weather can wreak havoc on your hands, but this hand cream is here to help. It's packed with vitamins and fatty acid-rich sweet almond oil to heal dry skin. Look closely to see those tiny yellow dots. Those are emollient pearls that protect your skin and give this cream a big moisture boost. It says, tip. Want to wake up with softer, smoother hands? Just slather some on this cream on before bed. Now the full size is $7. This is their full size. This is only 1 ounce. It's 30 milliliters. I have used this several times, and there are little, like, oh, I got like 2 of the beads on my hand. I'm gonna zoom the camera in. If you look up here at the top, there's like little yellow dots on my hand. I don't know. Let me see if I can. There. And smooth it out a little bit. There's 3 little yellow dots on my hand. I'll see if I can get the camera. There you go. You can kind of see them. Anyways, there's little like scrubby dots in here. And this is a really nice hand cream. And I lost the card. It's under what I'm sitting on. But it does smell like that sunflower's perfume, and it's actually super hydrating. It's a nice, thick, rich formula. I guess you're not zooming out as far as I had you. So I'm glad that I got this. I like getting hand creams, especially in this size, because I can just throw it in my tank bag and get on the motorcycle and go. So that is a full-size item. The next is what is like over here on my eyes and then all over my lid on this one. This is the Balm Cosmetics Petal to the Metal in Shift into Overdrive. It says the shade is Turbo. This is a cream eyeshadow. I was very surprised when I went to apply this because I didn't expect it to have glitter in it. I did do video of me using it as well as a swatch on my hand, so I will leave that on the screen so you can watch that. It says, we are always excited when a product from the Balm comes across our desk, and this shimmery cream shadow has quickly become our new go-to. This rose gold with silver fleck blends like a dream and is a totally unique shade that is versatile enough for day or to glam up your look for night. Tip, use your fingers to sweep cream eyeshadow onto your lids, then blend out with your finger. This is a deluxe sample. This is the value of the full-size version of this product is 10.5 grams for $29.50. This is 1.2 grams or 0.04 ounces, and the value of it is $3.37. This is a beautiful shade. It's like a beigey, a neutral-based beige brown shade, and it does have like champagne and silver glitter in it, and it is absolutely beautiful. So I was glad to get this. I like products from the Balm. I don't know why people don't like them, but I like them. The next is actually, I'm wearing like a mixture of products, but I'm wearing this on my lips mixed with the L'Oreal Color Riche Shine and Glossy Fawn. This is the Illamasqua Antimatter Lipstick in Cosmic. Now I will do a swatch of this on my hand because I didn't do that when I did the like initial application. It's like a dusty rose shade, and this is so freaking cute. Look at how cute this little guy is. And there is the shade. All right, so this Illamasqua Antimatter Liquid Lipstick it's a regular lipstick, not a liquid lipstick, in Cosmic. Show yourself some love and makeup that makes you look and feel amazing, starting with this dreamy rose pink or rosy pink lip color. This matte lipstick feels just as good on your lips as your go-to balm and glides on like butter. No tugging or pulling. Now, I did have problems with this looking patchy on my lips, and I tried to build it up, and then it just looked awful. Which is why I have it mixed in with a more hydrating formula right now, and it doesn't look as bad as it did the first time I used it. I think I will definitely, if you use this, or if you got this, exfoliate your lips first, even if it's just a washcloth, because this will like pick up on every little dry spot and patch on your lips. It says that this is a pretty rose pink shade that will stay put for hours. It does. It's very transfer resistant. It does transfer like cups and things like that, but it does stay for quite a while. It says tip 1 to make this lip color last even longer. Swipe on, blot with a tissue, and repeat twice. Every time I've ever done that, I end up with lips that are full of lint. So if anybody has any tips on how to get that to stop, let me know. This is the deluxe sample size. The value of the full-size version of this product is 4 grams for $26, and this is 2 grams, so it's half the size, or 0.07 ounces, so it's worth $13. The last item that came in the bag that I haven't actually used on my face yet is the It Cosmetics. I have like a shiny gray hair over here being funny. It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Primer Plus Oil. Oh, it says primer plus oil free. It not only does this multitasking primer keep your makeup looking fresh, it's packed with good for you ingredients like bark and ginger root extracts that get your skin healthy and glowy from the inside out. The oil-free formula hydrates and helps refine pores. Plus it's light, so light that you can barely feel it on your skin. Dot primer onto your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. Blend out evenly with your fingers. This is a deluxe sample. The value of the full-size version of this product is 30 milliliters, which is an ounce. It's costs $39 for that. This is 0.17 ounces or 5 milliliters, or was it 6 milliliters? No, it's 5 milliliters. So this is worth $6.50. I have not used this on my face yet because I haven't used like foundation all over. And usually I use like an illuminating primer if I'm just gonna be doing concealer and stuff. Now the bag value is $42. Then we get into the add-on. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie. This is in the shade LN2. When I went to Ulta for the very first time ever going to an actual Ulta store, I got shade matched and they said I would either be LN2 or LG2. And after using this on my skin, I can tell you LG2 is probably going to be my pretty close to perfect match. I will swatch this on my hand. LN2 looks a little bit peach on my skin. I was also very disappointed in the size of this. They sell sample things on their website for $10 that has more product than this. Now granted, I only paid $3 for that, but there's the swatch on my hand. As you can see, it like kind of disappears. There you go. But it's a little bit peach, and let me blend it out just a little bit more. And it does darken a little bit. So on my face, when I did use it, it did darken a little bit. But it's a little bit too peach for my skin. Which, you know, most things usually are. So this actually, the full size of this is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters and it retails for $36. This is 0.2 ounces or 7 milliliters for $8.40 is the value of this. And I only paid $3. So like I said, they do sell like a sample size on their website in all of their shades. So if you're curious about what shade you would be, go to Ulta. They only have some of the shades, but find like closely what your shade would be and then figure out your undertone from there, because some of the like golden undertones turn a little bit orange, whereas some of them are like more yellow, which I need a more yellow one. This is a neutral base and it does pull a little bit peach on me. So that was the only thing I was a little concerned about. So I think LG2 would be better for me because it's more golden and it has that yellow undertone. I did use it under my eyes the other day when I tested this out, and the color itself, it was pretty good to use as like concealer because you're supposed to be able to also use this as either foundation or as concealer. So that's why I was like, ooh. So I got on that. So the total bag worth is $50.40 with my add-on. So this thing where it says valued at $50+ here is not accurate. I can tell you that now. Normally it is accurate, but this time around it is not. I mean, the bag is nice. I'm probably just going to sell it on Depop. I just listed a bunch of my Ipsy and Sephora Play bags on, I don't know why I'm putting makeup products back in here. Because anything that I get in like subscription bags and stuff like that, I usually end up rotating them into my monthly Shop My Stashes. So those will automatically end up in my February Shop My Stash, and then at the end of the month, I will do a recap on it. This Feel Harmony, I will have to test out. I'm gonna try the glycolic ones tonight. So in a day or two, or I mean, even maybe tomorrow, because depending on how pissed off my skin gets from that, I will use this one and we'll see how I like it on my face. I have done patch tests and everything on everything in here. So I've had this bag for several days. The hand cream I like, it does smell nice. And then I will do one more close up of the swatch of the foundation on my hand now that it's, you know, pretty much dry. So that way you can see what the color looks like. I am a very, very yellow undertone. So a lot of things look pink and peach on me, where normally they would be like a neutral undertone, but on my skin, because I'm so yellow, they do look quite pink. So I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you guys like these Ipsy Glambag unbaggings and like me doing the inserts of the extra video to show you me using the products. And if you like that and you want to see me do these every month, then please feel free to comment down below, toss a like on this video. And I do have a Patreon. As of like March, I don't think I will be able to afford Ipsy right now because I'm not earning enough money on YouTube to get a payout every 6 months. So every dollar helps. Like I said, these bags cost me $12 a month. So even if I got, you know, 5 people, 6 people to donate $1, that would be a huge help for me to purchase these, you know, these bags every month. And I do like getting the products, and I get other things that I can test out, like the hand cream. I need to do like a hand cream update video and talk about pros and cons and things like that of them. I like doing the multiple masks videos that I've been doing. I like doing first impression videos also as well for masks, just to, you know, see how they work for the first time. So if you want to see those and you're interested in even just donating $1, like I said, $1 does help quite a bit. Seeing as though I literally have $1.16 in my checking account. So I have to cancel Ipsy before the end of the month, or I won't be able to afford anything because then my account will be in the negative, which is not a good thing. Anyways, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. I will see you guys in another video very soon. Hopefully you all are having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and it's not nearly as hot as it is here. So I will see you guys later. Bye.